Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Toyota RAV4. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few key items: a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have fresh synthetic engine oil, typically 0816 or 0820, and a new oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for about 15 minutes to prevent burns. Now let's get rid of that old oil. Slide under your RAV4 and locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be ready, as the oil will start flowing immediately. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out. With the old oil drained, it's time for replacements. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's secure but not over-tightened to prevent leaks. Now for the fresh stuff. Locate the oil fill cap on your engine and remove it. Carefully pour in your new synthetic engine oil, typically around 4½ to 5 quarts. After pouring, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with your dipstick. It should be between the minimum and maximum marks. Start your engine briefly, then turn it off and recheck for any leaks and the final oil level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.